America, we expected to have 72 million seniors by the year 2030 in the United States. This is the highest number of living seniors at once in the history of the United States. And guess what? Those people are going to need a caregiver. They're going to need a caregiver to check on them, cook for them, do some like housekeeping for them, take them to the doctors, run errands for them, keep them company. And that is exactly why we need more non-medical home care agency in Ohio. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get started with your non-medical home care agency in Ohio. So bust up and tune in. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Denis. I am the home care agency startup and growth expert. I help nurses, I help burned out, over, frustrated, underpaid, underappreciated nurses and healthcare professionals start and grow their own profitable home care agency so they can have more flexibility, more income, and more freedom. But guess what? You don't have to be a nurse or a healthcare professional to start with your non-medical home care agency. If you have a good heart and you want to serve this population, come on in. This video is for you too. So in order to get started with your non-medical home care agency in Ohio, first thing first, you're gonna need a name for your business. Once you have the name, you have to go to the verification process for the name. So that means you put the name that you have chosen into certain database and ensure that nobody else has a similar or the same name, because if somebody else has a similar or same name, they can take legal actions against you and tell you to stop using their name. So we want to prevent this problem before it even happens. And this is the whole reason why I do video like this, is because I want to spread best practices about non-medical home care agency ownership, so that way you can avoid costly mistakes, avoid headache, and truly become the home care boss that you desire to be. And that's why every weekday I put one video out, so that way you can learn more about this industry. So make sure you like and subscribe so you can get notified when I put new amazing content out just for you. So now you have a name, you verify the name. Let's say that everything is all good. That's amazing. So now your next step is to register your business name and your legal entity with the Secretary of State. So that is an exciting part, because once you register the name and it's approved, you get a certificate that says, yes, you're official, you're doing business like in this state. So that's a great part. This is a great place to celebrate your achievement, because right now you're getting closer to becoming your own boss. So once you get this, the next step will be to get your employer identification number. Once you get that employer identification number, it's like a number. It's similar to Social Security, but instead of being assigned to a person, it's assigned to a business. So that is something that you need. Then once you've done that, it's time for you to fill out your home care license in Ohio, because you need a license to practice home care in Ohio. You want to make sure that licensure, you complete all of the paperwork the right way the first time around, because if you don't, your application may get rejected and you have to start this process all over again. And I know this is not what you're looking to do. So make sure we do it the right way the first time around. Once the state receives the application and they review it and they feel like everything is good to go, they will come and do what they call a survey. This is where they come and inspect all of your paperwork, all of your policy and procedure, inspect everything in the business and make sure you are in compliance. If you are in compliance, then they will issue your license. From the time that you submit your application, get the official license, that process can take up to 4 months, okay? So that's how long it usually takes for this process. And once you get this and you get your license, now it's time to start preparing to launch your home care agency. And to launch your home care agency from like start to finish, it's a process, right? There are 3 phases to launching your profitable non-medical home care agency, because you want to make sure you're launching your agency the right way the first time around, and you want to really ensure that you follow those 3 phases. And I know right now you're like, Sue, how do I get to those 3 phases? I got you, okay? Trust me, I got you. I know you will have wanted the 3 phases, so I created a free exclusive training where I do a deep dive into the 3 phases, so that way you can know the 3 phases to launch your profitable home care agency. So to get access to this training, just click the link below, check in the description, and get access to it now. Do not even delay. Watch the training right now, because this is not a training that I usually share with the public. So I'm not sure how long I'm gonna have it available for the public. So go ahead, click the link below and check it out right now. Watch the training right now. Oh, as I'm talking to you right now, I'm thinking about one of our students, Antoinette. When Antoinette came to us, she had a dream. She wanted to serve the elderly. She was tired of not living in her purpose, and she wanted to do something that bring her joy as well as allow her to make a living. And starting a home care agency was the choice for her, but she didn't know how to get it started, right? So she came to us. We were able to set up her business for her. She didn't have to lift a finger. We set up a business for her, get her license to the state, not only get her license, get her all the documents that she needed for her business, and not only that, provided her with the training on how to run the business and how to also get clients. And today, she is a proud licensed home care agency owner. And I know you too can do the same and more, but you need the right guidance. You need to first know, your next step is to know the 3 phases to launch your profitable home care agency. So click the link below and watch the training now. See you on the inside.